Hello, Internet, and my name is Raziwilad Quaros. And today, did you know this guy? This is Kidlat Tahimi. Before he became a world famous filmmaker, he actually worked as a jeepney driver. And believe it or not, he even turned down a successful career abroad just to tell an authentic Filipino story. Sino mo na si Kidlat Tahimik? Kidlat Tahimik, whose real name is Eric De Gia, was born on October 3, 1942 in Baguio City, Philippines. He studied business administration at the University of the Philippines and later earned a scholarship to study in the United States. After graduation, he worked for the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development in Paris, France, a prestigious international organization. It offered a stable and successful career. However, Kidlat Tahimik realized that he wanted to create films that reflected the true identity of Filipinos instead of living a comfortable life abroad. When he returned to the Philippines, Kidlat Tahimik drove a jeepney, one of the country's most iconic symbols. For him, the jeepney represented Filipino creativity, resilience, and culture. His experience as a jeepney driver inspired many of his stories and became an important symbol in his films. Instead of chasing wealth or fame, he chose to tell stories about ordinary Filipinos and their culture. His notable works: Number 1. Perfume Nightmare in 1977. His first and famous film, Perfume Nightmare, follows a jeepney driver who dreams of the modern Western world. As he experienced that world, he realized that blindly admiring foreign cultures can make people forget the value of their own identity. The film won awards in international film festival and introduced Kidlat to the world. His second notable works is Churumba in 1981. Churumba tells the story of a family that makes religious souvenirs for tourists. The film explores how commercialization and globalization can change tradition and affect local communities. Why are his works notable? His films are unique because they can focus Filipino identity, culture, and independence. Rather than copying Hollywood, Kidlat Tahimik developed his own storytelling style. His works encourage audience to appreciate local tradition and think critically about modernization and globalization. For the conclusion, Kidlat Tahimik's journey teaches us that success isn't about earning money or working abroad. Sometimes true success comes from staying connected to your roots and sharing your own culture with the world. His life reminds us that even ordinary experience like driving a jeepney can inspire extraordinary stories. Thank you for watching.